What if I told you there are 5 essential tricks that most Charles Schwab users overlook? Strategies that can help you retire earlier, build wealth faster, and get the most out of every dollar. SCHD is the favorite among dividend investors, and for good reason. SCHD offers a mix of high dividend yields and steady growth, making it a solid choice for those looking to build long-term wealth or even retire on passive income. But here's the thing. Just owning SCHD isn't enough to get the best results. There are key strategies that can help you get the most out of this ETF. Strategies that go beyond just buying and holding. Today, I'm going to share 5 essential hacks that can take your SCHD investment to the next level. These are practical, high-value tips that can help you maximize returns, grow your portfolio faster, and build a reliable income stream for retirement. These hacks will give you the tools you need to supercharge your investment strategy with SCHD. Stick around because you don't want to miss these simple yet powerful tips that could make all the difference in your financial future. Number 1. Maximize returns by leveraging SCHD's 12% dividend growth rate. One of the best things about SCHD is its impressive dividend growth rate. Over the past 12 years, SCHD has increased its dividends consistently, with an average annual growth rate of around 12%. Now, this might not seem like much at first, but when you reinvest those dividends, it can have a powerful compounding effect on your returns. So, how do you take advantage of this? The key is reinvesting your dividends rather than cashing them out. By reinvesting, you're using those dividends to buy more shares, which in turn earns you even more dividends. Over time, this creates a snowball effect that can significantly boost your portfolio's growth. For example, let's say you invest $50,000 in SCHD. If the fund continues growing at an average rate of 10% and you reinvest your dividends, your investment could more than double in 10 to 15 years without adding any extra money. The power of compounding is often underestimated, but it's one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth over the long term. Tools like online dividend calculators can help you estimate how much your portfolio could grow if you stick with this strategy. By reinvesting your dividends consistently, you're not just relying on the ETF's growth, you're actively accelerating it. If you're looking to maximize your SCHD returns, this hack is a must. Don't let your dividends sit idle. Reinvest them. Let the snowball effect take over, and watch your wealth grow faster than you might expect. With patience and time, this simple hack can be a game changer for your financial future. Number 2. Take advantage of the 3-for-1 stock split for greater accessibility. SCHD recently announced a 3-for-1 stock split, and this is a great opportunity for both new and seasoned investors. So, what exactly does this stock split mean for you? In simpler terms, for every 1 share of SCHD you currently own, you will now own 3. The price per share will also drop by about 1/3, making it easier for smaller investors to buy in. Now, here's where this hack comes in. While a stock split doesn't change the overall value of your investment, it does make SCHD more accessible to a wider range of investors. Lower share prices often attract more people, which can potentially drive demand over time. Plus, having more shares means you'll receive more dividends, even if the total payout remains the same as before. The real benefit here is psychological. With more shares in your portfolio, the compounding effect of reinvesting dividends becomes even more powerful. More shares equal more dividends, which means more reinvestment opportunities. And as SCHD continues to grow, your potential returns could multiply faster than before. Take advantage of this chance to own more shares, increase your dividend payout, and set yourself up for long-term gains. Number 3. Focus on SCHD's top holdings for stability and growth. SCHD's strength lies in its carefully curated portfolio of top-performing companies. It includes a range of well-established, financially stable businesses that are known for paying reliable dividends. Companies like Home Depot, Verizon, BlackRock, and PepsiCo make up SCHD's top holdings, representing a significant portion of its total assets. Why is this important? These companies are not only leaders in their industries, but they also have strong financials, meaning they can continue paying and growing their dividends even during tough economic times. By focusing on SCHD's top holdings, you can benefit from the stability and consistent growth these companies offer. In fact, SCHD's selection process is strict. It only includes companies with a solid history of dividend payments for at least 10 consecutive years. The best part? This strategy reduces risk. Since SCHD spreads its investments across different sectors like financials, healthcare, and consumer goods, you're less vulnerable to the ups and downs of any one industry. If one sector performs poorly, others often perform better, balancing out your overall returns. For those looking for stability with a side of growth, SCHD's top holdings offer the perfect balance. You don't have to worry about constantly managing individual stocks. SCHD has already done the heavy lifting for you by picking some of the most reliable companies. This makes it a great option for investors seeking both income and growth without the stress of stock picking. Number 4. Long-term wealth building through dollar cost averaging. One of the simplest yet most effective hacks for building wealth with SCHD is using the dollar cost averaging or DCA strategy. If you're unfamiliar with DCA, it means consistently investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the ETF's current price. Whether the market is up or down, you keep investing. Over time, this helps you smooth out the highs and lows of the market and reduces the risk of making poor timing decisions. Here's how it works. Let's say you decide to invest $100 in SCHD every month. When the price is lower, your $100 buys more shares. When the price is higher, it buys fewer shares. Over time, this strategy averages out your cost per share, helping you avoid paying too much when prices are high and taking advantage when prices dip. This approach is especially powerful for long-term investors. By sticking with a consistent investment schedule, you can take the emotion out of investing and avoid the temptation to time the market, which is notoriously difficult to do. Plus, with SCHD's track record of steady dividend growth, your investments will continue to compound over time, leading to larger returns down the road. Number 5. Tap into the power of tax-efficient dividends. While SCHD offers impressive dividend payouts, it's important to understand the tax implications of those dividends. Dividends from SCHD are considered taxable income, which can reduce your overall returns if you're not careful. But don't worry, there's a simple hack to make sure you keep more of your hard-earned money. Use tax-efficient accounts. Tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA or traditional IRA can help you avoid paying taxes on dividends until you withdraw the funds. In a Roth IRA, for example, the dividends you earn grow tax-free, meaning you won't owe any taxes on your earnings when you withdraw them in retirement. For long-term investors, this can make a huge difference in how much you keep from SCHD's dividend payouts. Another strategy is to hold SCHD in a tax-deferred account like a traditional IRA. While you'll eventually pay taxes when you withdraw funds in retirement, you can defer paying taxes while the money grows and compounds over time. This gives your investments more time to accumulate, potentially resulting in a much larger portfolio down the road. For those investing in taxable accounts, be mindful of how dividends are taxed each year. Although you can't avoid paying taxes on dividends in a regular brokerage account, reinvesting them can help mitigate some of the impact by compounding your earnings faster. If you found these SCHD hacks helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more investing tips. Let me know in the comments if you're using any of these strategies or if you have other SCHD tips to share. Until next time. Happy investing!